Hey, to recognize the music playing around us with the Pixel 8a, all you have to do is just to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then you will have to go into the settings. Now move into the sound and vibration and go into the now playing. Now all you have to do is just to tap on this switcher to simply turn off this function, and right here you will also get the information that the smartphone is downloading the database. And now additionally you can show the search button on the lock screen. So now when you just lock your screen, and now when you turn on some music, for example I'm gonna play the Blinding Lights from The Weeknd. Now I'm gonna stop it, and as you can see right now, we can find this information. So it actually takes a few seconds until the smartphone recognizes this song, but you will actually get this, and you can actually find this history by clicking here. And here we can actually find every song, every music that was actually around you, and your smartphone recognize it. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.